You are watching a Tom's Tech Notes video. If you like this video, please click my name, Thomas Wallace, while the video is playing to visit my channel. To return to the video you were watching, click your browser's back button. Tom's Tech Notes video: How to boot Windows with USB drives connected. Here's some background. Some Windows 7 computers can't boot with a USB external hard drive connected, and the boot fails with a hard drive failure error message. Ignore this video if the problem has been fixed. I had this problem some time ago. It may have been fixed for Windows 7 or Windows 10 computers. If you don't have a problem booting your computer with USB hard drives connected and powered up, skip this video. Otherwise, keep watching. There are many solutions proposed on the internet. Some of them don't work. Some of them involve registry changes, which I really don't recommend. This video describes a solution that did work for my Hewlett-Packard computer. If your boot fails, you must first clear the Windows error flag by booting successfully. Here's how to do that on my HP 700/515 computer. If this method doesn't work on your system, consult your computer documentation for how to begin system recovery. Actually, you need to begin system recovery, then command Windows to start normally, since the hard drives haven't really failed. Both drives are plugged in and powered up, and we've commanded a restart. The boot has failed, and after a couple of minutes, you'll wind up with an error screen, this one. The way to fix the problem, to keep it from happening again, first of all, turn the computer off. Then unplug the hard drives and everything else connected to the computer except for the monitor, the keyboard, and the mouse. Then turn the power on the computer. It boots up to this screen, and what you want to do is hit your down arrow to start Windows normally and hit enter. If you don't have a Hewlett-Packard computer, you may have to perform the steps differently. You'll go through a normal boot, and it will clear the Windows error flag. And that's very important. If you don't clear that error flag, it doesn't matter what you do next, it'll still come up thinking it has an error. So now it has booted properly, and we can go ahead and finish by logging on. It's very important that you follow the steps we just went over exactly. If you don't, you will wind up in a screen where it is attempting the system repair, and it may take up to 30 minutes depending on how slow your system is, and you can't interrupt it. So be very careful when that first error screen comes up, the blue screen. Turn the computer off, unplug the USB drives, disconnect everything connected to your computer except for the monitor, the keyboard, and the mouse. Then turn the power on. You come up with a system recovery screen, and you need to select Start Windows Normally on that screen. It will then start normally and clear the error flag. And if you want to use the hard drives, then you can go ahead and plug them in. However, if you forget to unplug them, or even if you step away from the computer and a Windows update forces a restart, you have the same boot problem again. The permanent solution is unplug the hard drives from the computer, get a hub, which is like an octopus plug, but it's for USB connections. Plug the hub into the computer, plug the drives into the hub. When you do that, Windows uses a different driver for the USB drives, and it does not have a problem booting if the drives are connected to the computer before you boot. You want to connect them before you boot so you don't have to waste time erasing, closing the auto-run windows that appear if you plug the drives in after you boot the computer. My particular system is a HP Envy 700-515, and I have two USB 3.0 hard drives that are Seagate Backup Plus drives. I have a Hutu 7-port USB 3.0 hub that has 7 data ports and 2 charging ports. If you have a different setup, I suspect my solution will still work. If you have USB 2.0, it will probably work with a USB 2.0 hub if you're having the boot problem with the USB 2.0 drives. You should create desktop shortcuts for easy access to your USB external drives, since Windows may reassign the drive letters when drives are plugged in a different order. You must reserve drive letters for each drive. See the Windows 7 or Windows 10 playlists as appropriate. Then play video, How to Reserve Drive Letters for USB Drives. Links to the playlists are shown below the video window. Thanks for watching my video. Please click my name, Thomas Wallace, to visit my channel page to see more of my videos.